Have you ever wondered why men, almost everywhere in the world, die earlier than women? People blame it on genetics, alcohol, bad luck, or that old stereotype, men are reckless. But if that were the truth, every man jumping off a roof or riding a motorcycle would explain the numbers. The real story is far quieter, far more ordinary, and far more dangerous. Men aren't dying early because of dramatic accidents. They're dying early because of small habits that feel normal. And what's shocking is this. Most men do at least 2, sometimes all 5 without realizing the damage has already begun. Today, I want to walk you through 5 everyday habits that are silently cutting years, even decades off men's lives. I'll also show you the simple changes that can add those years back. Let's start with the one most men underestimate. Habit 1. Moving too little. The sedentary trap. This is the most silent, most common, and most underestimated killer of modern men, sitting always for too long. Studies from the American Journal of Epidemiology show that sitting more than 6 to 8 hours a day can increase your risk of early death by 60%. Why? Because the body was not designed for stillness. When a man sits too long, blood flow slows down, muscles switch off, metabolic process drops down, insulin sensitivity crashes, inflammation rises and the heart works twice as hard. Even worse, long sitting affects the brain. It lowers oxygen flow, weakens focus, increases fatigue, and triggers cravings for sugar and junk food. And here's the hidden part nobody talks about. It doesn't matter if you go to the gym. If you sit for hours afterward without moving, your risk still shoots up. Your body doesn't care about your 1-hour workout. It cares about what you do the other 15 waking hours. How men can fix it: stand up every 30 to 40 minutes, move for 2 minutes, walk after meals, use standing breaks during calls, and add 3,000 to 5,000 extra steps a day. These tiny habits wake up circulation, lower blood sugar, and protect the heart. Sitting isn't dangerous because it's dramatic, it's dangerous because it feels harmless. Habit 2. Poor sleep. Years lost quietly. Men love to brag about functioning on 4 to 5 hours of sleep, but the body doesn't brag back, it breaks down. Sleep is not rest, sleep is repair. When men regularly sleep less than 6 hours, their blood pressure rises, the testosterone level drops, their immune system weakens, their memory declines, fat storage increases and heart disease risk skyrockets. Chronic poor sleep alone can shorten a man's life by 7 years. The scary thing is, men think they're fine simply because they're used to being tired. How to fix it? Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Stop scrolling through your phones 1 hour before bed. Keep a dark, cool room and avoid caffeine after 2 p.m. Better sleep equals to better hormones, better mood and better heart. Habit 3. Smoking and nicotine use. The fastest life cutter. This is the most obvious, but also the most underestimated. Men think, I'm not a heavy smoker. I only smoke when I drink. I only vape and it's harmless. But here's the reality. Smoking damages arteries. Vaping destroys the lungs with chemicals. Nicotine ages the heart. Every puff increases inflammation. And every cigarette stiffens blood vessels. Even social smokers face higher risks of heart attacks, lung disease, strokes, erectile dysfunction and early death. A single cigarette contains over 7,000 chemicals, and vaping liquids contain toxic metals and ultrafine particles that enter the bloodstream. How to fix it? Reduce the frequency gradually, switch to lower nicotine alternatives, replace smoking triggers, like stress, boredom, alcohol, and use nicotine gum or patches to taper. Stopping nicotine is one of the fastest ways to add years back to a man's life. Habit 4. Poor diet and obesity. The daily damage. This is the habit that kills men slowly but predictably. Modern diets are too processed, too salty, too sugary, too oily and too low in nutrients. Men eat fast, eat big, and eat whatever is convenient and the body pays the ultimate price. Poor diet is linked to belly fat, fatty liver, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, clogged arteries, diabetes and chronic inflammation. What makes this even more dangerous is that men often don't notice the changes until the damage is advanced. A growing belly is not just weight, it's a sign of insulin resistance, hormonal imbalance, and internal fat choking organ function. How to fix it? Add vegetables to at least 2 meals, eat more whole foods than processed, swap soda for water. Reduce late-night eating, and prioritize high-protein meals. A man's diet is one of the biggest predictors of how long and how well he will live. Habit 5. Chronic stress, the silent internal breakdown. This one is invisible but deadly. Men react to stress differently, they hold it in. They keep quiet and distract themselves instead of dealing with it. But stress slowly tears the body down. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which leads to high blood pressure, high blood sugar, belly fat, poor sleep, low testosterone, anxiety, heart strain, and weakened immunity. Long-term stress can shorten a man's life by 4 to 5 years, even more than alcohol. How to fix it? Engage in 10 to 15 minutes of daily breathing or walking. Talking to someone instead of bottling up, reducing overwhelming workloads. Protecting rest time and practicing boundaries. Managing stress isn't weakness, it's survival. Men don't lose their lives because of one big mistake, they lose them because of small habits done consistently. Sitting for too long. Sleeping too little. Smoking or vaping. Eating poorly and carrying stress alone. These habits don't kill you quickly, they kill you quietly. But the good news, just like small habits destroy a man's health, small habits can rebuild it, revive it, and extend it. One small change today can add months back. 2 small changes can add years, and 3 small changes can transform your entire future. So ask yourself, which one of these habits is silently stealing years from your life? And which one are you ready to change starting today? If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more life-saving health tips.